quick and healthy tuna and brown rice bowl recipe, affordable and beginner-friendly. Hey everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a delicious and nutritious recipe for you, a quick and healthy tuna and brown rice bowl. It's not only good for your taste buds but also friendly to your wallet. Perfect for beginners who want a hassle-free, nutritious meal. So, let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this affordable and beginner-friendly recipe. 1 can of tuna, packed in water. 1 cup of brown rice. 1 cup of mixed vegetables, fresh or frozen. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings, sesame seeds, chopped green onions. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get started with the cooking process. Step 1, cook brown rice. Begin by cooking 1 cup of brown rice according to the package instructions. Brown rice is a great choice as it's packed with fiber and nutrients. Step 2, sauté vegetables. While the rice is cooking, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of mixed vegetables and minced garlic. Sauté until the vegetables are tender. Step 3, tuna time. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the canned tuna, drained, to the pan. Stir it in and let it heat through for a couple of minutes. Step 4, combine. Now, combine the cooked brown rice with the tuna and vegetables. Mix everything well, ensuring all the flavors blend together. Step 5, flavor it up. To add some extra flavor, drizzle 1 teaspoon of soy sauce over the mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir. Step 6, serve and garnish. Time to plate up. Spoon the tuna and brown rice mixture into a bowl. Feel free to get creative with toppings. I like to sprinkle some sesame seeds and chopped green onions for that extra touch. And there you have it, a quick and healthy tuna and brown rice bowl that's not only easy on your budget but also perfect for beginners. The healthy tuna and brown rice bowl offers a variety of benefits. Rich in protein, tuna is an excellent source of lean protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. High in fiber, brown rice is a whole grain that provides a good amount of fiber. This helps in promoting digestive health and maintaining a feeling of fullness. Nutrient-dense, the combination of tuna and brown rice provides a range of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna is a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation. Low in saturated fat. This meal is low in saturated fats, making it heart-friendly and suitable for those looking to manage their cholesterol levels. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Give it a try, and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit that notification bell for more tasty and budget-friendly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much healthy tuna and brown rice lovers.